Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFS function in Google Sheet. In this table, you can see the total population data of some countries. So, if you want to sum the total male population of these countries, just select the cell, use the equal to sign, and write the sum. Then you can see sum is populating here. Select it and then select the range of the data you want to sum. Then press enter, and you can find the total of this column. Similarly, if you want to sum the female population, then use the equal to sign and write the sum and select the range of data and press the enter. Then you can find the total female population. Here we just sum the total of a column. And similarly, if you want to sum a row, go to the blank cell. If you want to sum the total population of China, use the equal to sign and again write the sum. And then select the range. And then you can find the total population of China. Similarly, if you want to find the total population of India, then use the sum and select the data range. So there is a quick shortcut. If you copy the cell and just paste it, then you can see the range automatically select the next row. This way, you can just copy the cell and select the all other blank cells, and then you will see all this formula is just following the next row. Here you can learn how to use the sum function. Then we are going to learn how to use the SUMIF. SUMIF means it's a conditional sum. So the formula will sum with a single condition. If you need to sum something with a single condition, then you need to use SUMIF function. So here we can see, if you want to sum the total population of Asia, then you need to use SUMIF. So use equal to sign, then write SUMIF. Here you can see the SUMIF. Select it, and then first condition, total population of Asia. So select the range of data, then use a comma, then a quotation mark, write Asia. It is the condition, and then use the comma again, and here's the data range which you need to populate sum, and then use the enter. Sorry, I missed the spell of Asia. Yeah, here we can see the total population of Asia. So you need to select the condition first. First, our condition is total population of Asia. So Asia, you need to select this range. You can see D4 to D13. Then the range condition is Asia, and then you need to place the data which you want to sum, total population of Asia. Similarly, if you want to sum the total population of North America from this list, so you just replace the Asia with North America. Then you will find the total population of North America. Then, if we want to sum the total population of Asia, which rank is less than or equal to 3, then we need to use SUMIFS function, because here is two conditions. The population should be from Asia and the rank should be equal to less than 3. Then we are again going to Asian population, total Asian population, and now we are going to find the total population of Asia, which rank is less than equal to 3. So here's the rank. So we are going to write some ifs. You can find some ifs, then select the range of data we want to sum. Then we need to put the condition here, the range, then select the right Asia, and then the second condition, rank is greater than equal to less than equal to, yeah. So you can see the total population of Asia is here, and this is the total population of Asia which rank is less than 3 equal to 3, first 3 country. So if you're going to manually sum population Asia, then you can find this number. Similarly, if you change the range is not 3, 4, then you can see the number is changing. So this is, from this video you already learned how to use SUM, SUMIF and SUMIFS. I'm going to share this sheet in the description section, so you can just copy this sheet and learn it from yourself. And if you have any question, just use the comments option and I will answer straightforward. Thank you for watching.